Hey Liam, can we do the colors? Can you say purple?
Purple.
Purple. Can you say pink?
Pink.
Yeah. Can you say blue?
Blue.
Sounds good. How about green?
Green.
Nah, maybe that's green. Can you say yellow
Yellow.
without your hand in your mouth? Can you say orange?
Orange.
Can you say white?
White.
That's good.
White.
Okay. Can you say black?
Black.
What colors did we miss? Can you say orange?
Orange.
Let's go down the list again. I know we missed something. Can you say green?
Green.
Can you say white?
White.
Can you say black?
Black.
Can you say purple?
Purple.
Can you say pink?
Pink.
Can you say blue?
Blue.
Blue. Blue. Can you say blue?
Blue.
What sound does a kitty cat make? Thank you. Okay, this is Animal Sounds by Liam. It's Sunday and he's getting changed and put into his PJs. Liam, what sound does a kitty cat make?
Meow.
How about a doggy?
Ooh.
What sound does a lion make?
Wow.
What sound does a cow?
Moo.
What sound does a little birdie?
Pew, pew.
What other animals? Sheep. What sound does a sheep make?
Bah.
Excellent. A plus.